Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to download and install Facebook application in your mobile phone. So for that, firstly you need to click on Play Store, and here in the Play Store at the very top you can see a search bar. So click on the search bar and search for Facebook. And here you can see a lot of options, but you need to choose the one at the top with 4 rating and 49 MB of storage. So click on the install button, and in this way your Facebook will be downloaded in your mobile phone. So Facebook basically is a place where you can share your experiences, connect with friends and family, and build communities. It is a service for more than 2 billion people for right now, with active user of over 1 billion people. And the basic goal of this application is to connect with friends and families from all over the world and talk to them, hear about their experiences, post your photos and videos, and just interact with people. And in this way our Facebook has already been downloaded, so you need to click on the open, and in this way your Facebook application will open up in your phone, and now you can freely use it and connect with your friends and families. Thank you.